Asho bafethu Malum King lona ke abangaziyo bathi vela bahleka limi lashibilika inkosi yamabheries namhlanje sila kwaSomnandi biggest cook off. We've got a chef Tizer, we've got Malum Resho, of course, with the biggest best got us. So today sifuna ukwazi ukuthi abantu baphuzelani naso. Show bafethu today siphethe bani
Bethu Tipesh, my dog.
dog about Tipesh ne aqala ukuswenga like from Eskela before like about before stuff about kwenzoba noSkambo and stuff.
Exactly, yeah, man. So vandaag ngizwalile as I promised someone to be here all the way from East Rand, Efostorasi, Sulana Somnandi, featuring with Tizer, Uditedu, and I'm here to support the magic and I'm very happy ngalitenzakalayo.
So I see we are poser.
Bana yaphuza but angiphuza sindawo ngiphuza nje phela ukuthi ngiyabefana bona khona ukuthi ngithi situation ihamba kanjani ngithola.
So uqale nini ukuphuza?
Mina ngicela kuseni dog. Yeah, vandaag mara now you say ukuthi ngicela nini ukuphuza?
Yeah.
Saseskela dog. Back in the days, 2015.
Uphuza Eskela.
Yo, ngiyakutshela twala, ngiyakutshela boys. Awona manje mara sasafresh yabona ngiphethe grand. Ngicela ukuthi ngaphusha ngazama, ngiyazameka sibeke uNkulunkulu siyakukhishaya namhlanje siyamajita lokho hustle nababe grand ngithola. The most important thing is moving one forward. Kanjalo siyaphambili siyazama nti siba grand. Let's push guys until siba sharp bafethu ne.
Okay. So what's the highest amount of money that you spent in alcohol?
Hey bro, I once spent like 5,000 then on all.
5,000? What the fuck? Why?
Angazi ngathi dog, mara it was a mix of entertainment. I want sometimes to show like ulahleke nje kuphela kube mnandi. Khohle ukuthi unemali rent, ngibhatale rent. But anyway, it's like it happens, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this question angirefer kuwe.
Yeah.
So from amachita wakho, what's the wildest thing abakhe bayenza abadakiwe? Like the wildest night.
The wildest into bayenze.
Mina nginomngani ne ohlala eshaweni ukhachamela adakiwe.
Sure. Okay, manje ufuna ngisho amagama manje la
bantu. Ungabizi igama lakhe.
Okay, hey man, lena is sensitive, but anyway, it's fine, man. Awufuna ungena umpasi. Yeah, that's what I should say. But
really?
I'm telling you.
How
So I don't trust them like this, man, you know.
Oh,
I don't trust these boys, man, you know. I'm always cautious. Understand?
That's all pussy corona ungaphose play.
Man, yeah, yabo.
Oh, she's pretty, bro. She's pretty. But anyways, bro, let's enjoy. Shout out for the interview. Yeah, sure, Buffett. Welcome to another exciting episode of Phuzelani Chronicles, Buffett. Today we'll expect one, bro.
Pethu Fraskodo hier, man.
Brabani?
Uskodo.
Oh, njenge score.
Obvious.
Okay. So Blomava.
Bloma yi phase 1.
Oh, really high. Oh, nice.
Oh,
So uyaphuza?
Yeah,
mara ngiyabona unanekile ne?
Yeah,
Ne? Bophuzana?
obvious. And again, style is ready, man.
Okay, uphuza Heineken no favor.
Pirates.
Oh, bengicabanga uzothi Chiefs. Phela Chiefs is the only team engena star.
Hayi, obvious ngoba iPirates ine star.
Ine star, so uphuza ubia ene star. Ngiyakuthola. So, uqale nini ukuphuza?
I don't know lie, yabo. Ukushashaya for a long time.
Yeah. So you don't know the exact year?
Yeah.
Okay, because some bazothi maybe high school, some when are you?
Average nyana.
So uqale ngani?
Black man. Hey.
Qala nga-black. Phela i-black yabantu aba-graduate sotshwala.
Yeah, say yeah, mo jutha amagogo mfethu. Ngathi ke happy mana kusho etsama.
Serious?
Serious.
Dog. First beer yakhe ubusiso uMagogo.
Mfethu.
Yo dog. Awukhule kamnandi boss.
Kamnandi but hey, I limited myself kuze black. Angena kwi-star ngoba iPirates
In a star. So what's the wildest thing you've done, Mawuphuza?
this thing I've done. Hey,
Yeah.
mfethu, sa blow imali outside here. Sayidla imali mfethu.
Highest amount?
Obvious 30k.
30. Mawuphuza nabo bani wena?
Abantu obvious.
30. Hayi, ifemeze iqedwe imali yakho.
Hey mfethu.
Yo, that's all ugqoka shorts ne. Amabhruka ayadura.
Mfethu uyabona.
Let's go. Angijikanga.
Usheshe wangijaja manje.
Yo, hayi ngiyaphapha.
Hey, awuphaphi. Just ukuthi awubheka.
I hear you, bro.
Yeah,
It was nice interviewing you, bro. Have a splendid day. Let's have good food and good vibes.
Yeah. Then wamrinzo support uMacala kayi.
For proper food.
Keeper. Yabo, good vibes. Ah shit, sonke.